Kapi-kapi sa umaga. Happy Sabado. Keep eating. Ano to guys, kopi ko kasi gusto ko isaw-saw ang ating croissant.
Oh, that's not a good one. And then you peel.
Hello. What are you doing there? Daddy's gonna be down soon. Because it's almost 8:30. We're leaving at 8:30 malam. Hele. 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 Hindi yan. Alright, go. Daddy's waiting. Ganda niyang ate natin, no? Super pretty. So, for Latina. Oh. So, see you later, ate. See you later, my love. Enjoy. Enjoy, baby.
See you later,
Pag narinig na niya yung tunog na nag-film na, wala na, oh. Tuwang-tuwa na siya. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Good morning from our beautiful Indy. Oh my gosh. My morning has been really productive. Really productive. It's only 9:37 ng umaga. Wala na si Ayla at saka si Daddy kasi may gymnastics si Ayla today. Nag-load ako ng laundry kasi bukas sana yung schedule ko. But Dan, sabi niya, pwede bang mag-laundry ka ngayon para daw wala kaming isipin bukas kasi nga meron kaming bisita. Baka mabisi tayo bukas. So, na-load ko yung laundry. And then, sabi ko, i-check ko nga yung roller door namin kasi we have been parking outside, guys. Kasi yung garage door namin, it stopped working. More than buwan na kami na nasa labas nagpa-park. Tapos kanina, I walked them out. And sabi ko, i-check ko nga lang. Check ko lang yung garage door. I fixed it. Ako na talaga. So, I saved us a couple $100 or maybe even more. Kasi last time, siguro 2 beses na kami nagpatawag na ipaayos yung roller door. And I think pumunta lang sila guys para lang mag-reset or something like press lang ng mga buttons. Tapos last bayad ko, $280 something ata. Yung last bayad ko, nag-replace lang siya ng battery. Tapos yung first patawag namin, I don't know kung magkano yung nabayaran na Dan, mga couple $100 din yun. Feeling ko nag-press lang yun ng mga buttons because it's not broken. Feeling ko alam ko na kung ano yung problema. Kapag nag-power outage, parang kailangan niyang i-reset, ganun. So, I think I figured it out. And ako na, ang handyman ng bahay na to. Ako na talaga. Naayos ko siya and the remote works. So, my car is inside now. Nakapag-edit ako ng thumbnail. Now, yeah. Oh no. No, she wants to sleep. You sleepy. Yeah. Oh no. I want to sleep, guys. Put you to sleep. So I'll put her to sleep, and then I'll fold the laundry while I'm there as well. Yeah. And Mommy's gonna be all up to date with all the chores and everything. No?
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. is the season of love. I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
Hi, baby. We're home. Prepare ko naman ngayon ang kanilang pang-swimming. We get a bigger bag this time. Real big. But what happened to your face? Why is it dirty? Is that
It's spicy.
ice cream? Nah. You had ice cream. I can tell. Why didn't you share any to me? What's that, baby?
It's coffee ice cream.
My coffee ice cream. Oh, thank you.
Toy. It's a toy.
It's a toy. Kakabalik lang nila galing swimming. How was your swimming?
Jordan?
Good. How did you swim?
Yeah. I just sing and Daddy taught me.
Ah, you were sinking and Daddy caught you?
And then underwater.
You went underwater.
And I sing.
No, you did not sing. Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
You can soak. You can soak.
Like a shot. What else did you do?
And I see a dolphin and I get fishy. And I did it get fishy.
Did you learn some dog swimming?
No.
No? What did you learn today?
I did that for me like this.
Oh, like that?
I did it.
How about the scoop? Ice cream scoop swimming?
I did that.
Yeah, like that?
I know bicycles.
And motor up. Oh, wow. Bicycles. Oh my gosh.
I want it.
You look so guapo. I love your outfit.
I have the outfit too.
Oh, I'm just wearing pajamas.
What's when John is a bedtime?
It's not bedtime, no.
Why?
I've been doing household chores. I don't want to change yet.
What about mine?
You're fine.
I don't
You
have
look good.
bedtime dramas.
No, you don't have bedtime pajamas, no. You have a really nice outfit. I love it.
This name.
It is. It's a letter.
Is it?
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. What letter is it?
G.
A.
A.
What's your name?
L.
Where are we going, everyone?
To the playground.
Who's ready?
Me. Me.
How about Indy?
Yeah. Me.
Everyone's ready. Playground lang namin yung mga bata saglit.
I think
What?
you will get a hole.
Did it click? Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'll have to get you. Ready?
No, I don't want to do it again.
You don't want to do it again? That's it? Alright. Release then. That's it. Yeah, just press baby, just like the car. It's not working?
Hold on.
Indy! Indy likes it, guys. Indy! Oy, bless you. Oy, bless you. No, Indy's there, Daddy.
Like it.
We're just making Indy happy. India! She likes it. India!
We don't like here at the playground.
I'm pushing really high.
I'm done.
No, I'm not pushing. We're not pushing high, are we? We have Indy. We have Indy.
No faster.
Not fast, no. You can go fast when you're just alone, right, Arlo?
Yeah.
Like when Arlo's on the swing, he goes really, really, really high and really, really fast.
My bum is hurting.
Your bum is hurting? Do you wanna get out, Ayla?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you selling? Do you have pizza? You think so? Can I have some? Can I have a slice, please?
Yeah, I don't
Pepperoni.
Here, pizza.
How much?
$5.
$5. Here you go.
Yeah, I made $5. I'm out there.
Uy, you okay? Yeah?
Dust it off, you're right. You can go again.
Good job, Ayla. Well done, baby. Kakarating lang namin, guys. 3:59. Tapos pagkarating namin, nag-text si Manay. Darating na daw sila in 5 minutes. Hey, who had fun on the swing? Who had fun on the swings? You had fun too? Oh my gosh. Alo was just on the swing the whole time. He loves the swing. Did you go really high?
Yeah.
Really high.
And down.
And what
And
did you do?
down.
Down and up.
And up and down.
I know. You're so lucky. Did Daddy push you?
And two.
And kick?
Yeah.
Did you go on the swing? Did you go like this? Swing, swing, swing. Ah, shush! Good job. Tito John's gonna be here. Thank you!
When I come in, she didn't vlog me, but when I love the cousin.
Buisit. Thank you. Oh my gosh, ang dami naman. That's a lot. I can make room.
You gotta buy some bottom ones. Just
Yeah.
guys make some roaches with that.
Yeah, I'll start it out. Sige. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Amin to lahat talaga?
Sabi daw siya, hindi ko dyan na talaga.
Sabi ni Manay, pagpasok ko kanina, hindi mo ako blinan. Pero yung love turn mo lang mo. Para makita nila na binigyan mo ako.
Dapat ka na lang, pagpasok ko, dala ko ngayon.
Oo. Yeah, next time, sabihin mo, may dala ko lobster. Lang mo ako. Ang dami naman ito. Thank you. Oh my gosh, 5. Agoy, yatay.
Ilan ba yan?
5. Apat na maliliit. Tapos isa sa malaki.
Malalaki, ah.
Bigay namin to kay Sharon. Tapos baka bigyan namin sa Adrian din.
Oh, nas Irene, kasi dala nyo na lang yan. Iyan, pang ano yung, kasi July pa tayo next nagkikita.
Ang lapit lang ng July, sis. Para ka namang
Ah.
yung lobster na, kinain na lang namin kahit hindi pa kami ready. Kasi sabi ni Dan, let's eat this because John said he's bringing more and we don't have room. So kinain na lang namin. Isa lang yun, nahirapan pa kami. Hindi ko nga naubos. Sayang talaga. Kasi once na-thaw mo na, sayang na.
Yun nga.
Oo, weekend namin siya. Nung last Saturday lang namin kinain.
Ito lang.
Oo, tapos yung isa kay Sharon, binigyan namin kay Sharon.
Ay, nakita ko yung kinain mo. Ulo ni
Maganda pa
Sharon.
maliliit. Yeah.
Yung maliliit.
Ay, hindi pa pala na-upload. Mamayang gabi pa ma-upload.
Ay, nakita ko yung kay Sharon.
Oo, yeah. Mamayang gabi ma-upload yung ano.
Hello, baby. Hello, si Dong. Where's Dong? Nagbago ng mga bata. Hindi tumigil na ako kinis.
Hindi ka ba kinis?
Hindi. Dong! Masarap na mahal si Dong.
Yeah.
Pag-isipin ka lang. Ang ganda ng kinis.
Ay, sus, pwede pa sana 10, sis. Ang dami ko pa
Meron
pala.
ba?
Dami pa space ko.
Sorry.
Joke lang eh.
Napaka-sensitive
Thank you.
naman yun.
Nice hair, baba. Si Ate Holly gumawa ng buhok niya. Ayaw na talaga machi-machi, be.
Ganda ng ano yun din, pants.
Yeah, sana black, no? Ito din, na. Grabe na talaga mag-sleek.
Kamusta si Ladybug?
Hindi ka talaga mawawala, sis. Okay yan, yan? Uso yan ngayon. Ang tawag dyan, rugby jumper. Yeah, uso ngayon. Ang dami niyan sa Kmart. Hindi yung ganyang style nga. Alam mo naman, pag trendy.
In order pa to dyan sa aming...
Maganda nga. Oo. Ang ingay dito. Itatry ko to. Yung tier na foundation. Nag-order ako ng tier foundation. Yung sobrang daming shade. Yung kinuha ako. Hala? Hindi ko French beige. Yeah. Kaya nga dito ako kasi ang ingay sa kwarto. Naka-white. Natulog talaga si Indy.
Sabi sa'yo.
Pero ang cute nito kasi maliit yung pinili ko. Mini.
Mini lang. Lang talaga.
Pero talaga siya? Cushion talaga siya. Pero mini. Hindi kaya ng iba, diba? Na yung mini, walang salamin. Ito, meron talaga siya,
Ang daming shades niya,
sobrang dami nga. Kahit na shade ko, madami. Feeling ko maraming...
Sa akin din, hindi ko alam.
Wala pa pala. Ang dark nito sa ayan.
Pero feeling ko, okay yung...
Feeling ko okay naman. French beige. Pero hindi ko alam kung diretso na ba ito sa mukha ko. Paano pag sobrang dark?
Isa lang. Okay lang naman.
Okay, yeah.
May yellowish, no? Yeah, okay lang. Kuntihan mo lang.
Konti lang. Ito na yun. Buong mukha na to.
Grabe na sa pagkatipid.
Ganyan
Abot yan 2 years.
Hindi, ganyan ako mag-apply para hindi sobrang parang hindi sobrang ma-foundation.
Yung tawag nito? Si Skintific, isang dump ko lang din.
Yeah, yun din. Pag gumagamit ako yan, sobrang konti lang talaga. Isang dump lang, tapos yun na lahat. Ang daming magagandang review nito. Ang ganda-ganda lang ito. Wala kang jacket o may jacket ka ba?
Meron. Si Fluffy, si Bulbul. Yun na lang si Bulbul.
You ready, Johnny Boy?
Oh, sure.
Dami mo make-up
Hindi yan lang. Si Holly, nag-ano din.
Kay Holly to?
Mayroon siyang may lip tint siyang ito, sabi niya lang, dry daw ang lips niya. Ito yung Amor, yung
lip tint?
Bagay
sa kanya, hindi bagay sa akin yan. Ito bagay sa akin.
Sige, kunin mo, try mo yan. Si Kai ba yan? Yeah, si Aquamarine,
Kanina to?
Sino ba this? Payaman?
Dito ata, bagay.
Hindi, maganda.
Yeah.
Maganda siya. Sino ba to?
Maganda yun, pero parang ang pink naman nun sa akin.
Hindi yung pink. V-line. Maganda yan.
Ito maganda.
Matagal din.
Long-lasting ba to?
Long-lasting yan. Di ba? Maganda yan. Yan? Maglalast din siya.
Yeah.
Ano lang siya?
Binibenta mo din to?
Hindi.
Hindi na?
Si Kuya mo.
Naglalaro kasi sa.
Ha?
Naglalaro. PS.
Siya?
Never ko pa nalaro yung PS.
Yeah? Sila lang?
Sila lang talaga.
Yung PS, remote, nakatago na sa bahay.
Sila lang talaga marunong yan. Hindi ko nga alam bakit yan nauun eh. Hindi ko marunong.
Pinagalitan ako kasi tinanggal ko lahat ng cord. Mom! Kunin mo lang yung remote pati
sa bahay?
Sa bahay. Kasi ginawa ko. Kasi parang...
marunong man yan. Kahit na anong tanggal.
Kaya nga, tapos tinago ko, di ba may mouse? Ay, na-operate pa din.
Hara na nga. I'll just close the roller door, my love. It's working now, my love.
Mommy, how did you fix it?
Mommy's just really smart. Ayla, mommy's a handyman, handy woman. We're heading to...
I'm really smart. We shouldn't call the roller door doctor.
The roller door doctor? I am the roller door doctor. I fixed it.
Now someone has to use tools.
I did not need tools.
Then he did it, fix it properly.
I did. It's all working now. We are off to dinner and we are eating at... Where are we going again, my love?
Pink Peak.
The Pink Peak. It's a restaurant sa city. 22 minutes away. Dito na kami. Ikaw yung nasa vlog.
Ako talaga.
Ikaw yung nasa vlog mo kasi naka-rugby top siya eh. Dito na kami. Ayan na sa mga Inday. Hello guys. Hello. Ayun na yung Arlo ko. Ang layo na naman. Layo na niya naman sa akin. Pero okay lang siya doon kasama yung Kuya Zach.
Matauhan?
Cheers, sis. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, oy.
Cheers pala. Sorry.
Cheers, galit na. Cheers, Inday. Happy birthday, Nilsy. Si Nilsy pala yung my birthday.
Sabi nga yan, I don't organize my birthday.
Masarap nga.
Masarap, di ba? Sparkling ba to? Hindi man. Ha? Moscato din. Same tayo. Yes.
It said steak and ribs.
Yeah, steak and ribs. Na combo.
Steak and ribs.
Yeah, steak and ribs. Tama ba?
Hindi ka lang, pareho lang naman.
Naka-in-order niya yung for 10 people ha. Meron ba yung pork? Meron ding steak and ribs na
Grabe.
$400.
Steak and ribs. As lang sabi niya, pork is steak, ha? Ano ba sabi niya?
Sabi yeah, pork and steak. Pork ribs at saka steak. Yeah, tama.
Sa restaurant ka, no? Nasa fancy restaurant. Ayan na yung ano. Hindi naman para sa atin.
Sarap yan.
Happy birthday, no? Sana naman siya pupunta.
Akala niya, bisita niya lahat ng dito. Ina-entertain niya yung mga bisita.
Kaya kung okay yung mga food. Nag-speech pala siya.
Thank you kasi wala dito.
Ang haba dito. No? Ang ano nila, pahaba, no? Hindi pa square, pahaba.
Sabi ko lang wine din. Nilagyan pa nila sila ni ate ng beef isa-isa. Hindi ko pilitan.
Okay na yan. Ay, wait lang ate, wait lang ate.
Yeah, meron din. Okay, so what are these gloves? A towel.
Thank you. Ayan na. Para hindi tayo madumihan.
Thank you.
Ito ni sira na agad eh. Hindi pa nag-start.
Nasa fine restaurant.
You need our bibs to eat our ribs. Ay, cute.
Ay, yan nakalagay?
Cute, yeah.
You need our
You
ribs.
need our bibs to eat our ribs.
You need our ribs to
You
eat
need our bibs to eat our ribs.
talaga ba?
Ewan ko kung
Ribs talaga
ewan ko kung hindi siya nakakita o hindi marunong magbasa.
Bulag talaga siya. Sis. Ano sabi
Hindi
niya?
ko alam kung bulag o hindi talaga marunong magbasa to. Minsan na, confused na talaga ako sa aking friend.
You need our
ribs to eat our ribs. Layo kasi guys, dapat lakihan pa to ang liit na letters.
Papikit na siya sis. No, magbabasa.
Ginagano ko pa.
Ang cute ni Danny Boy, nakabib din. Ang mga boys nakabib, ang cute. Ribs din yung kanya eh. Ribs at saka steak din yung order niya. Ayla! Seriously? Is it a special occasion?
Is it?
My goodness!
You're allowed? Ang sarap na una kainin.
Ayan! Sana medium yung steak.
Parang ano?
Parang well done?
Hindi. Tama.
Tama? Yeah, that's good. Kain tayo. Share kami ni Manay. Timing kasi tapos na kumain ang inday natin. Stay happy, ate. Ate. Ay, hindi ka ate, bunso ka. Let's eat.
Ano yung sa'yo man ay? Steak?
Steak and ribs.
Steak and ribs. Alam ko na.
Sige, nakain na tayo sis habang masaya si ano.
Oo, kain tayo. Kaya na yung
Kain tayo guys.
aming steak and ribs. Share kami ni Ay, parang sarap ng calamari.
Ayan na. Parang, uy, lahat na lang natin.
Andito yung sayo.
Yung ating trio of dips.
Ay, oo nga. Asan na? Baka busog na.
Ano to eh, 4 daw na ribs. So, wakatan.
Kaya kami meron.
I mean, 8.
Nagdilang nga.
Tiga-4 tayo ha, wag kang manggulang.
Huwag ka dyan. Huwag makulangan.
Wag kang manglamang dyan. Tiga-4 tayo.
Wala pa. Yung tayo para rest. Wala tayo yung tapos.
Naglalaway ako.
Ano ba yung marriage? Ano yung marriage?
Yung kasal.
Chicken wings.
Talaga ha, may pag-anong sila. Ha? Oo.
Bakit ang layo?
Ribs man na.
Lumalayo. Lumalayo. Dumudugo yung steak mo sis.
Yan kasi ang ano niya. Gusto niya.
Sige nga, hatiin nga natin.
Sige, ito.
Marriage daw, Lyra.
Sarap.
Masarap?
Marriage. Yeah.
Ano ba tayo?
Marriage.
Thank you.
Got it? Yeah.
Uy, ang laki sis.
Try natin yung steak. Ay! Ilang araw na ako nagkikrave nito.
Alin dahil? Steak niya. Ay, madami din palang beans.
Yeah, it's alright.
Kumain si Dolly na. Alam, meron kayong tray. Nakita ko ang laki.
Yeah, tiyo. Ayun.
Ang laki sis.
Good tips.
Yeah, kami ka pa rin.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ang laki ng dip niyo sis.
Thanks very much.
Meron pa kaming trio dito. Order ni Sister Ray.
Masarap.
In fairness, gusto ko dito.
Yeah, masarap no yung steak.
Masarap yung steak mo dahil?
Yeah, masarap.
Masarap yung mainit-init ang bread.
Masarap yung bread? Ah, para sa steak mo.
Actually, sarap.
Kaya naka-screw yan ang maiti.
Kaya nga, ha?
Naka-screw.
Masarap yung steak kasi ay yung ribs hindi siya malaki.
Masarap yung steak.
Steak naman.
Sarap din. Hindi tayo nagkamali.
May trio of dips din pala kami. Ayan, daming pita red. Masarap ba yung dip? Na-try mo na?
Masarap. In fairness dito ha. Yung tip wala nang pakiano na ito. Alam mo?
Yung bread?
Yes, good.
Thank you.
Masarap siya kasi hindi siya ganang katambi.
Alo. You like sitting? May gala pa tayo, magdi-dessert pa daw tayo, be. Kapit lang. Kapit lang, kaya mo yan. Magdi-dessert pa tayo. Kaya mo yan. India! You like it? Kumain niya ng pita bread din eh. Kumain niya ng pita bread eh. Ang saya niya dyan sa paupo niya dyan.
I'll give it back to you.
Sorry, thank you.
Yun pala yung sa kanila.
Oh, ganun. Wala na yung
Hot chocolate tayo, guys.
ayaw ko nga.
May marshmallow sa'yo. Sa akin, wala. Hindi, feeling ko kinuha ni Dan.
I told you, Mommy.
Ay, hindi. Sinerve to eh.
I told you, Mommy.
Ano paano yung babae nag-start? Grabe naman kabinta ka. Oo, ba si Danny Boy? Hindi, lollipop daw sa'yo, sis.
Uy, ano na, Bi?
Dapat pag hindi ko ito nakabot-punta ko, pero mag-take away ka. Dilaan ko na.
Dilaan mo na lang ngayon. Ubusin mo yung chocolate sa ano. Hindi ka na take away ito. Naka-ice cream. Oh, kahit ang lamig-lamig. Separate kami ng ano, guys, table. Yung buwis nandun sa kabilang dulo. Kasi ang busy, ang daming tao. Ang shaket ng paa ko. Boots pa more. Ang ganda niya tingnan, but paka-shaket ng aking paa. Hindi siya paltos na sakit. Parang ano lang, ewan ko. Yung hindi sanay yung paa ko sa pormahan niya. Ang haba ng heels!
Mommy, look. Can you shout it, guys? I got a baby.
Ganda ng boots na yan.
I got a baby today.
You got a boo-boo today?
Yeah.
Show the guys.
Never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day.